Hello everyone, in today's video it is a PR that I received from Prometics and it is called Prime Lash Mascara. Prometics sent me 3 color mascaras to use and to give my honest opinion about it. In this video I am doing the blue because I have blue eyeshadow on, so I want to do the blue. My eyelashes, I have nothing on, so I'm coming close enough so you can see there is no mascara on my lashes. Can you see? Now we're gonna try this prime lash. So I open, this is the first time I'm gonna try the mascara. The wand is small, take a look. Those ones are the ones I like the best because they coat my lashes better. Lashes I'm going to put on my right, which will be your left. Can you see my lashes coming alive? I can. This is the first coat on my right lashes. My left has none. I'm trying to see if I can show you the difference. This is none. This is one coat. The name of this mascara is Prime Lash. Name of the company is Prometics. Now I'm getting ready to do the bottom lashes. See, I have nothing on them. Okay, right side, which will be your left, I have the prime lash on. Can you see? Left, which will be your right, I don't have any on it. Can you see the difference? Left eye, no prime lash. Right eye, prime lash. 3 coats on the top lashes, 1 coat on the bottom lashes with prime lash, which is the blue shade I have on today, and it is by Prometics. No clumping, applies nice. The wand is small enough for the top lashes and the bottom lashes without making a mess. I'll be trying the other colors, but this is really nice. I do like it. If you haven't tried Prime Lash and you think you would like to try it, go ahead and try it. I am liking it. It separated my lashes. Thank you Prometics for sending me the PR of the 3 Prime Lash Mascaras. This is just the blue. The black and the brown will be in the next clip, so keep watching to see what my lashes look like with and without Prime Lash. In this clip, I am adding Prime Lash Black Mascara on the bottom lashes. I've already applied on the top lashes, so I'm just showing you how beautiful and easy it is. The mascara is very easy to apply. They have 3 shades of mascara: black, which is 01, and there is brown, and then there is blue. I'm showing you how beautiful my lashes look. I love them. Today's eyelash mascara is from Prometics, and it is Prime Lash, and this color is the brown color. I was sent this in PR, and they sent me a black, a brown, and a blue. Today I'm using the brown on my lashes. So before I start, I want you to see this. This is what my lash looks like. I'm coming close so you can see. That's what my lash looks like. And we will see if it makes a difference. This is brown.
Now I'm going to put it on one side first so you can see what it looks like on my eyes. I can already see a difference with my lashes. I just want you to see how this Prime Lash Mascara works on my lashes. I have little baby lashes and this is making it look really nice. Okay, now this is the one with it. I'm coming close again. Can you see the difference? This is the one without. Can you see a difference? No mascara, mascara. I'll go further because I don't know if you can see. This is without, this is with. Okay, can you see the difference? Take a look. One stroke. One stroke on a little bit of lashes and I have lashes. We'll go again over here. I mean, this thing works instantly. Instantly, this thing works. As soon as I put it on, I can see the difference. This is the brown one. This is what my eyelash looks like. Up and bottom. I really like it. Wow. Thank you, Prime Cosmetics, for sending me the mascaras. I appreciate it very much. It is my honest opinion. I like it. Would I buy it? Yes. If you have tried it, let me know. If you have it and you haven't tried it, let me know. And after seeing my video, do you think you need it or you want it or you want to try it? Let me know, please, in the comments. Thank you all again for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Sending you love. Bye bye.